We've dropped in to see Liam, Precision Metals and Plastics. Liam, first of all, what do you do?
We're general subcontract machinists, milling, fixed head turning and sliding head turning.
Okay, now I'm assuming by the name, call me Einstein, plastics and metals, though?
Yeah, sometimes it's a bit of a mix mash, but generally it's about 50-50 at the moment.
Right, and that's, I mean, the LFV is key to some of the work you do in terms of, we'll talk about the plastics, but how many sitters machines have you got?
This is our second one. We've got an M32 for all our very complicated work, and the L32 was brought in more of a workhorse to take care of our production machining.
Oh, okay. And the L32, tip of everybody's tools, I'll use that pun again, or tongue, the LFV.
Yes, we bought it initially for the plastics. But as it happens, it's the showroom model from Citizens Open Day. Since it's come in, we've run plastic on it for about 6 hours, and since then it's been doing stainlesses and bolting steels.
Okay. Now that's about about the fifth of the ones from their showroom. I think Citizen is stretching out a bit. I'm actually only joking on that one, of course. But LFV then, so how's it improving on the plastics?
It's brilliant because we have all the issues with the birds nesting, as everyone says on the LFV videos. But for us, we do some complicated components in specialist plastics that we can only buy certain sizes. So quite often we're turning down from big diameters down to smaller diameters. And as much as we've always managed it, we didn't get that many parts out a day because you have a lot of operator intervention. Now with the LFV, we can leave it to run overnight. They're unmanned machines. We've got machine monitoring on both of our machines, so we can just let it run and come in the morning to a pot full of parts.
When you say machine running, is that tool monitoring and twin tooling, things like that?
Yes, so if it alarms out for whatever reason, we get a text message, we can just pop back and clear the error, load some more bars, and away it goes.
And make sure your phone's off.
No, we keep it on. We want to make money.
Absolutely. One thing I do notice over your shoulder is two swarf bins.
Yeah, that's right. We kept it because we were running the same job on both machines, so an LFV machine and a non-LFV machine, just so you can see a contrast of the two types of swarf that we're getting off there.
Huge difference there, and absolutely. And then in terms of operator intervention, just on the basics on a swarf bin.
Yeah, I mean the cycle times between the two machines are very similar, no discernible difference. But with operator intervention, not needed with the LFV, we're probably getting about 50% more parts a day through just removing swarf from the machine and the extra unmanned running that we're getting.
That's a huge difference. And like I say, it's 24/7 running for you guys as well.
Yeah, on both the sliders and one of the fixed heads we do run 24/7, so the extra hours that we get are well used.
Now I want to come on quickly to the controls, because you've got Mitsubishi, you've only got two Citizens. Has that been an issue? Has it been easy?
No, we're used to the Mitsubishi control anyway from previous jobs that we had, but it's on the turning, it's still the favoured control. And no matter, we've got other controls and they're fine, but for the sliders it's got certain aspects that our operators and setters like.
Okay. And that's the same in terms of using the code for the LFV and changing the amplitudes and things like that?
They found it very easy from going from the M32 till the L32. They were up and running, even with a new machine and the kinematics being different, up and running within half a day, and the LFV a couple of hours, and they had it in the bag.
Oh, nice and easy. I'm assuming that comes down to the support from Citizen as well.
Yeah, no, it does. We've got a good relationship with Citizen. A lot of the jobs that we do on the M32 are quite complex. As much as we're experienced, when we bought the machine with the M32, we have needed assistance from their applications guys, and we get on very well with them there. And Simon's helped us along, and as it happened, it was Simon that was out again for this one. So,
all right. So basically, a quick phone call, get the support there, or he'll be out helping straight away.
Yeah, no, definitely, and just a phone call, and most of the time they help you on the phone anthis
Excellent, brilliant stuff. So the service support is absolutely fantastic. I want to reiterate, I was joking about it being one of the fifth ones they've only got in the showroom, because this is probably one of the first L32s with LFV in the country, though. Is that right?
Yeah, it's one of the first ones. We had to wait 5 months for it, so they kept on sending me pictures, winding me up, because the part of the deal was to have it after the open house. We could have done with it 2 months before, to be honest.
Okay. So they kept you waiting. Has it been worth the wait?
Yes.
Nice and simple, yes. Liam, thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you very much for coming.